Gold. Rare, valuable, powerful. But have you ever wondered how it's actually made? From deep underground mining to the final shining bar, this is how gold is created. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more videos. Now let's dive into the video.
The deposit is just over that ridge. The GPS reading matches the map. This sample looks promising. Good, let's move. Let's move to the survey point. Copy that, I'm with you. Seismic readings look good here. This core sample confirms the same depth.
Right, we'll adjust the blast grid accordingly.
Handheld readings are consistent. Good, proceed. All right, team, activating the main conveyor. Confirm status. Confirmed, all green. Good, proceed to your stations. All right, let's move. Copy that. Watch the dust. Keep that boom clear. We're loading the next truck. Truck 12, proceed to the crusher. Watch your step. Copy, heading out. That's it, full load. Truck's pulling out. Clear the path for the next truck. Clear to dump. Copy, dumping. Next truck's incoming.
Pressure in Sector 3 is rising. Watch it.
Conveyor speed is optimal. All clear. Crusher's at full power. Feed rate steady. Got it. Monitoring output now. Looks good. Keep it running. Flow rate is steady. Holding at target. Copy that. Pressure is stable. Acknowledge. Watch for steam buildup.
Solution is stabilizing.
Transfer complete. Moving to storage.
Confirm, proceed with next batch.
Flow rate steady, checking the density now. Good. Log the pH and grab another sample. On it, this one looks promising. Pressure levels are nominal. Copy that. I'll adjust the flow.
Sample is stable, moving to analysis.
The gold concentrate is heating up, getting ready to melt.
In the lab, we're monitoring the process.
Impurities are rising. Now to remove them. Pouring now. Watch the flow. Steady, it's filling evenly. Almost done, looks good. Steady on the stir, viscosity is dropping. Got it. Lifting a sample now. Readings confirm, it's stabilizing. Ready for the transfer?
Yes, take it.
Got it. Placing it now.
Careful with the weight. Good. This stack is complete, 25 bars.
Confirmed. Logging the weight now. Good. Proceed to the next pallet.
Status on the inventory?
Logging the latest batch now.
Confirming quantities.